सी।
फर्स्ट ऑफ सी सिर्फ सी है?
डी।
So first of C is C comma D. Correct? First of C is C comma C. Look at here, यही production है. C goes to the first element is a terminal C. C goes to D, so C or D. So it is written as C. Look at value is written as C. Written as C और D. यहाँ पे आ जाइए, आपको look at value मिल गया है. The value is C और D, and here also the value is C और D. Complete हुआ प्रोडक्शन? कंप्लीट हुआ? समझ में आया? हाँ, इस प्रोडक्शन को आप नंबर देंगे प्रोडक्शन नंबर 3. इस प्रोडक्शन को आप नंबर देंगे प्रोडक्शन नंबर 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, those who have not written, start writing it, and those who have written, please go through it and see whether you are able to understand whatever is being discussed. So, those who have not written, start writing it. Remember, पहले B के प्रोडक्शन ऐड करने हैं, उसके बाद आप लुक एट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए जाओ. यहाँ पे बीटा का वैल्यू नल था, इसके लिए डॉलर लिया. यहाँ पे बीटा का वैल्यू है C, इसके लिए C का फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट किया है. Since there are two elements, I have written an or symbol there, C or D. So that is considered as a look ahead value. Sorry. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we continue further. Now हमने 2 को production number 2 has given rise to production number 3 and production number 4. We will process one at a time. We will take first production number 3. So I take production number 3. I start with again production number 3. So this is my production number 3. Again, I am supposed to start comparing this production. So I take all these values here. So I take this production number 3. I start comparing. So I compare this particular production. A goes to alpha dot B beta comma A. Value of A this time C. Value of alpha still remains as now of capital small c. Value of beta now is capital C. And value of A is now C or D. C or D. C or D. बराबर? बराबर है? आया ना? Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. Now look at the value of B. आपको जो भी वैल्यू B है वो प्रोडक्शन पहले ऐड करना है. B का वैल्यू क्या है इस बार?
Small c.
Small c. Is there any production which is starting with a small c?
No.
No. Now आपको रिमेंबर क्या करना है कि जैसे ही B का वैल्यू टर्मिनल बनता है आप कोई प्रोडक्शन ऐड कर नहीं सकते. सो व्हाट यू आर सपोज्ड टू राइट, सिंस value of B is terminal, no further productions can be added. No further productions can be added. So you cannot add any further production since the value of B has become terminal. So production number 3 does not give rise to any other production. Do you agree to this? क्योंकि B का वैल्यू टर्मिनल बन गया है. जब तक B का वैल्यू नॉन टर्मिनल था, आप पहले एग्जांपल में देखिए, B का वैल्यू नॉन टर्मिनल S था, B का वैल्यू नॉन टर्मिनल C था. इसके लिए आप प्रोडक्शन ऐड कर सकते हो. जैसे ही B का वैल्यू टर्मिनल बना, देयर कैन नॉट बी फर्दर प्रोडक्शन एडेड टू इट. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will take production number 4. क्योंकि दो प्रोडक्शन थे C के. I go down and see whether further can be added with production number 4. So this is my production number 4. I again start comparing. The comparating value this time is C is equal to A is equal to C, alpha is equal to null. Value of B this time becomes small d. Beta remains as null. Beta is going null this time because there is no value, single d. So beta is a null value. Let me copy it from the earlier slide. Beta value. The beta value is null. So the beta remains, the beta value is equal to null. The value of A again is equal to C or D. The value of, sorry. So value of A remains as A equal to D. Now what is the value of B now? Value of B क्या है?
D.
D, which is a terminal symbol.
Yes.
So since value of B is a terminal, no further productions can be added. So you can write down the value of, since value of B is a terminal symbol, no further productions can be added. Since value of B is a terminal, no further productions to be added. Is that clear? Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. अब करना क्या है? अब आपको कितने प्रोडक्शंस मिले? 4 प्रोडक्शन मिले हैं. So what are those production? You are supposed to come back, collect those production. So this is my production number 1. I take this production, put it here. This is my production number 1. Then I write it down, my production number 2. This was my production number 2. ये production number 2 है. I write it one below the other. So this is my production number 2. This is my production number 3. So this is my production number 3. And this is my production number 4. And this is my production number 4. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? स्टेप समझ में आया आपको ये?
Yes.
यस. ना ये LR1 आइटम सेट इतने जल्दी कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं होंगे. ये जो आपको यहाँ पे मिला है इसको I0 सेट बोलते हैं. तो अभी आपको डायग्राम कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा इस आइटम सेट को लेके, विच विल नॉट बी डूइंग इट टुडे, विल बी डूइंग इट टुमारो. But bear in mind, we are yet not completed the item set. So what we are supposed to do is, tomorrow we will be constructing the actual LR1 item set. I have generated an I0 item set for you people. So this is my I0 item set, and these are the elements which goes into this item set. So these are the elements which goes into and that item set. Again, we will be using the rule this time to make this particular diagram. There are different rules which we will be applying, but this trust me, this is more simpler than that one क्योंकि ज़्यादा rule नहीं है इसके अंदर. But ये diagram आपको अभी actual आपके I0 item set आपको मिला है. समझ में आया? इसको बोलते हैं I0 item set. So I hope everybody must have written this slide. Everybody must have written this. Everybody must have written this. After writing down this particular things, please draw the I0 item set. Please draw the I0 item set and leave it there. Tomorrow we'll come back and complete this diagram and then look how to create a table for LR1. Is that clear? Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will be tomorrow constructing this diagram जैसे कल किया था उसको. Remember, there are two different things. If they ask you LR0 item set, आपको ये diagram construct करना है. LR0 item set. अगर आपको LR1 item set बोला है, आपको ये सारे steps पहले लिखने हैं, उसके बाद ये diagram generate होगा. ये डायग्राम को LR1 आइटम सेट डायग्राम बोलते हैं. सो दिस आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. दिस इज LR1 आइटम सेट्स. इज दैट क्लियर? So we will stop it here because making this diagram, you know how difficult it is to make this particular diagram. It will again go down to 10 o'clock. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow we will come down, meet at 11:30 and complete this diagram and complete the table. And then I will tell you what is the difference between SLR1 parsing table and LR1 parsing table. So leave your solution here. Please solve these two examples of SLR parsing table. Please do parsing table of these two examples. Students who have not done, please complete these 4 examples. Students who have solved these 2 examples, please start making parsing table and make of this particular example. Is that clear? So tomorrow we will generate LR1 item set and we'll meet you at 11:30 tomorrow. Thank you.